Hello, welcome back to Simple Trends. In today's video, we will make a very easy poha or aval laddu. In case you could not make elaborate Gokulashtami sweets, you can try this simple poha laddu which is Krishna's favorite. Let's begin. I have taken 1 cup poha or aval. I have taken the thin variety as it gets roasted fast. Half a cup of jaggery, quarter cup grated coconut, 2 to 3 tablespoons chopped cashews and badam, quarter teaspoon elaichi powder, and just 2 teaspoons of ghee. We don't need more ghee for this recipe. In a kadai, add 2 teaspoons ghee and melt it. Add the cashew and badam and fry them on a low flame till they turn golden brown. If this is done on a high flame, it turns dark fast and gives a bitter burnt taste. Now that it has turned golden brown, remove the almonds and cashews and in the remaining ghee, add the poha and roast for 3 to 4 minutes. This should also be done on a low flame. It begins to turn crisp on roasting. Once it has turned crisp, you can remove it. Ensure that there is no change in the color or it turns brown, because this will also give a burnt taste if it turns brown. Remove it in a blender and powder it to the rava or suji consistency. In the kadai, now add the coconut and roast it till it loses moisture. This will just take 2 minutes. If you plan to store it for more than 2 days, you can skip the coconut because the coconut will give a rancid taste after a few days. But without the coconut, the laddu stays good for a week. Now I have powdered the poha or aval. In the same blender, I will blend the dry fruits, jaggery and roasted coconut. The coconut and jaggery on blending will give the required stickiness. Add the elaichi powder and pulse it. Now to this, add the powdered poha and blend for just a few seconds. Remove it on a plate and start making the laddus. I have retained a few of the fried cashews which I will use for garnishing. You will not need any more ghee as the jaggery gives the required consistency to make the laddus. If you feel it is too dry or you can't make the laddu, just add another half teaspoon of melted ghee. I did not use any ghee apart from the 2 teaspoons I used for roasting. For this 1 cup of poha, I got around 10 small laddus. This can be done in around 5 to 10 minutes, and since we use jaggery, it is a better option than the refined white sugar. Our instant aval laddu is ready. Hope you enjoyed watching this. Subscribe to Simple Trends and hit the bell icon to get instant updates on our new videos. Your feedback and comments are important to us. Stay tuned for more interesting videos. Bye.